Hi everybody, Bonnie. I'm on the Avalon View and welcome to the dining room. Okay, look at all this wine. Tons of wine. And tons of other great things too, but what I love most is, look at the seating in here. Isn't this beautiful? This is where you have your main lunch and you would have your main breakfast and your main evening meal. This olive oil, some of the best I've ever had, with a really great balsamic as well. And you can see you've got tables for 2, you've got tables for 4, and you've got much larger tables as well. Great view out to the river. Today is raining, but you know, as you're sitting there looking at me here, knowing there's rain, does that make you feel what? Me? It makes me feel like I really want to sit down and have a nice glass of wine and a fabulous evening meal, and that's what you're going to get on here. Up over here, whoops, ran into that. This is where you actually find all the buffets on the ship. Oh my gosh, I love their breakfast buffet, a lot of fruits and vegetables. Here's where the buffets are served, and we can just come around to the other side, which is pretty much ditto of the other side. It's pretty much carbon copy, but I love the dining room. You can come down early. They open up, I think, at 7 o'clock after your port talk. Come on down. If you have a group, what we always suggest is 1 or 2 members of the group be upstairs by the exit of the panoramic lounge. At the end of the port talk, come down and get the tables that you need. That way you can kind of keep your group together, because you're not going to be allowed to have reserved seating, because that's about making it great for all of the other people that you're sailing with, which makes absolute sense as far as I'm concerned. So look at the large size for your tables, the glassware, the service is impeccable, and I'm really excited to say that I've had the opportunity to sail on several Avalon ships. They all have their own kind of character. This is the View. She's pretty darn new, and I hope you have the opportunity to sail on one of the Avalon ships, enjoy their main dining room, and just kind of kick back and relax. And remember, when you are on a river ship, an Avalon river ship, you have all these great excursions. You can do everything you want, or you can do absolutely nothing at all. Find a book or check your eyelids for holes. So I hope you have an absolutely wonderful day, and I will talk with you later. Bye-bye.